Greetings everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Excuse the noise, our detail people are busy cleaning up vehicles for everyone. Here we have a 2012 Buick Enclave Premium all-wheel drive with the luxury package. It's diamond white, has that nice white pearl to it, titanium gray interior, heated and cooled seats, quad seats, third row bench. Has the Bose audio, remote start, all the nice options that you're looking for, Bluetooth, clear Carfax, local trade, lived its whole life in western North Dakota. The tires are about 80%, is fully inspected, oil's just been changed. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. That's good nationwide. Has the tow package, hard to find that. You can see all this and more at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota, or AutoramaAuto.com. Remember, we're the dealer without the outrageous hidden fees.